The death of Nyama and Manibutsira added to a growing list of fatal incidents involving senior security personnel in the aftermath of the 2017 military coup that ousted long-term leader Robert Mugabe and brought President Emerson Mnangagwa to power. Sanapena mashoko yaitogwa panguva ino pamusoro suspicious deaths ari kuitika kubva 2017 panokwa kuti right now the top CIO boss pamwe chete nepresident officer votsakatika road accident zinonyatsokunzwisika. Inobva subscribe like on the bell kuti ndinapana vanokumbira vachiti since the coup several high-ranking figures within the military, intelligence and police sectors, many of whom were either aligned with or seen as potential threats to shifting power dynamics, have died under unclear or suspicious circumstances. Among them, Major General Trust Magova, former commander of the African Union Standby Force and a key figure in military diplomacy, died in 2019 after being recalled from Addis Ababa. Air Force of Zimbabwe Commander Air Marshal Terence Shiri, who became Minister of Agriculture post-coup, died in 2020 from what the government claimed was COVID-19. Central Intelligence Organization Director for Internal Affairs, Menard Muzariri, and several other CIO operatives have also died in unexplained car accidents or illnesses in recent years. Command of the Presidential Guard, Brigadier General Anselm Namusanyatwe, was hastily redeployed abroad following the 2018 post-election shootings, widely viewed as part of PEG or relocation strategy for security heavyweights. These deaths, often reported as accidents, sudden illness or COVID-related, have sparked persistent speculation of a silent PEG within the state security infrastructure as the rival factions continue to jostle for control behind the scenes of a political fragile regime. In this context, the death of Gift Nyama, a high-ranking CIO officer with access to sensitive national security operatives, may raise more questions than answers. Tudze mafunguro emoti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa kufa kwaita the top CIO boss panguva ile aiwa konzi kuchakonzeresa chete. Pina comment section pendudza mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, and on the bell icon.